What is going on, guys? Today we're gonna be unboxing this Sowheel keypad digital deadbolt DK01. Got it from Amazon. So it says key free, one-time password, auto lock, weatherproof. Um, I'm worried about this. It says no key. I see a key here, a key entrance. It should come with a key just in case you run out of batteries. But we got the stained nickel. Let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, so you have the instructions here. How to install it and everything. Okay, let's see what we have here. Okay, so we do have keys. Okay, so this is the back of it. And this is the front. So for this one, you're gonna need 4 AA batteries. They're not included. I don't have any right now, so I'm just gonna put it on. And then I'm gonna get some batteries. Gonna put it on this door because we recently got this house, and we're gonna replace the door later on, but I don't want to make copies for this key, so I'm just gonna put it on to try it. So the first thing I'm gonna do, remove this 2 bolts, and then we have 2 more bolts on the side. I don't have my trapper with me, so I'm just gonna see if we can do it. Okay, now that it's out, we're gonna install first the latch. Okay, so it needs to go this way. Okay, so they're saying that the latch must be unlocked, and gonna ahead and install the exterior assembly. Okay, so you're gonna get 2 screws, long screws. So you're gonna get the back plate, and then you're gonna run the wire through this hole, and then you're gonna secure both plates with the screw. Okay, we got it secure. Okay, so now we're gonna get the interior assembly. It's just to remove the battery cover. I don't know why. I'm not sure why. Because the connection is on the back. So what we're gonna do next, we're gonna connect the wires to the interior side, make sure that it's in the unlock position, and just make sure that the wires are secure, tightly connected. Okay, once it's connected, now you're ready to put it on, and you have 3 tiny screws to hold the interior side. Okay, now let's see if it locks and unlocks with the key. Okay, so here I have the key. That works fine. And make sure the back. Okay, now the only thing left is to try with the batteries and get the code, and let's see if we can get some batteries. Okay, so I did find some batteries. Okay, so it says to only install 3 batteries, and with this tool provided, you're gonna press the reset button until you hear a long beep. While you're doing that, keep pressing the reset button and install the 4th battery, and this should automatically come out. Let's try it. Okay, I never heard the beep, but when I put the 4th battery, the lock came out. So this is just for the smart lock to memorize the orientation of the door. Now let's go ahead and program the lock. Okay, now it says that the code, it is 4 to 10 digits, and that the default code is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Let's go ahead and try it. Just gonna get the keys just in case. So to lock it, you just gotta press any key for 2 seconds. Okay, now it's locked. Now the master pin is 1 through 8. Okay, now let's see how we can change the code. Okay, so here are the instructions on how to change the master code, but before that you gotta so they don't allow forward number sequence, backward number sequence, repeat number sequence. It can contain an existing code sequence. Okay, so this is saying that if you see two of these, means twice, press twice. If you only see one, only press one time. Okay, so to change the master code, gotta press twice the top button. Let's go ahead and try to do it. Okay, so first says top button twice, then the master code, and then the top button once. So let's see. Okay, now it says wait for a long green light, and there it is. And then press 1. Okay, I think we gotta do it again. Press 1. Then the new master code. Let's see. Okay, and then the top button. Then wait for the new green light to flash. Yeah, I don't think it worked. Okay, so it did work. You just gotta make sure that you follow all the steps. And then to add a code, you gotta press the number 2 instead of the 1. And same thing. Okay, now let's go ahead and delete the code. So basically the same thing for the first step. Then wait for the green light, press number 3, wait for the green light to flash, unwanted user code. I don't think I'm gonna do that, but this is the step. And silent mode, if you want silent mode, here's a silent mode too. So here you have a bunch of features, for example, auto lock, and then you have a set auto lock time delay. You have add a one-time code. Let's see, for example, that you have someone coming into your house just to do a one-time thing. You can set up a one-time code. You have a vacation mode. Okay, so it says wrong entry limit. After 10 unsuccessful attempts at entering a invalid PIN code, the unit will shut down for 3 minutes. The vacation that I was talking about, so it says enabling vacation mode will restrict all users' code until master code is entered on keypad. Here we have the silent mode. The beep sounds while pressing the beep sounds when pressing keypad can be muted, but you will still hear low battery and system alerts. One-time user code. This code only can be used once and is automatically deleted when used. Okay guys, so that's all. So like I said, I'm gonna change the door later. I also got this handle, but I'm not gonna put it on. Just gonna wait till I get the new door. And so I do recommend, and it says on the thing, it says on the manual that get brand new batteries. I'm just gonna get the new batteries so we can get the back cover on. Well, thanks a lot for watching, and see you on the next video.